Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2022 Hyundai Venue Ultimate. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.6 liter engine, has front wheel drive capabilities. We do get your classic backup camera. We got a nice silver trim on here, little roof spoiler, roof rails as well. You got the nice black trim as well with the nice looking rims. Blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors. We do get a remote start on this vehicle, perfect for the cold winter months, and you get that nice Hyundai grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You got the ability to collapse your last row if you need additional storage. With hooks and tie downs, you do get your normal storage below with a spare tire. Got a little privacy screen here that you can disconnect, and all that fun stuff. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth and leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, with this nice white accents on the seat. And you do get a little bit of storage space in the back, which is always pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth and leather interior. We saw in the back there plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, traction, lane centering, all on your left-hand side. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is, sorry, not stock number, the odometer is sitting at 15,912 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle-free screen, cruise control, you have phone, voice, mute, play back, play forward, mode, voice, all that jazz. Here's your different screens for this screen. You have your lane centering, settings. She's going to tell you what's wrong with the vehicles, but nothing's wrong with it. We got some storage right there as well with your outlets. Your gear select, you got that nice white accents that you'll see around the vents as well. Adds a nice clean look. You got heated front seats and steering wheel, parking brake cup holders. You got your drive modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, and if I press down, you do get all the other ones over there, like snow, mud, and sand. We do get more storage underneath. Your climate controls are right here. This is a little screen here, so if you have your climate off, it will just turn off. You do have your engine start stop, storage below, and above me we got our SOS and maintenance with your features for your sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And you got a nice big infotainment system here. You do get personal profiles, which adds nice custom abilities to this vehicle. You do get navigation. Gonna open this. You got your map, pretty easy to use. You can zoom in and out. Have voice controls over it, pretty nice. Navigation, phone projection, valet mode, voice memo, radio data, media, because you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay capabilities, and shifting to reverse. We got that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8442, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.